Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you the most straightforward method to create tables and equations for a LaTeX document. In this video let us create these two sample tables and generate a LaTeX PDF document. For that we can visit the website tablesgenerator.com. I will click here and it will take you to the tablesgenerator.com. Here is the first table that I already created and it is available in the Word document. Let me just copy this table and paste it into the web page. So here I will select here and I'll just paste it. You can see now the contents of this Word document table are copied into the web page. To add borders to this table, now let us use this options available in this ribbon. Suppose if I select add all borders, you can see now all borders are added to this table. But there are certain situations where we do not want to add all the borders. So in that case, we can remove this all borders and then we can add manually the selected lines. To do that, you select activate or deactivate custom grid by clicking here, and you can manually select the lines for which the border has to be added. So here I'll just select like this. And I'll go to the bottom. I'll assign these lines. Now the table is ready as per my requirement. Now what I can do, I can generate the LaTeX code for this by clicking generate. Here I have the Overleaf online LaTeX editor, and now I will copy the generated table from the tablesgenerator.com. So let me just copy the content to the clipboard and go to the Overleaf and paste it here. I will give you some instructions, so carefully you read that. Please add the following required packages to your document preamble. So that means you have to make sure these two packages, that is use package book tabs and use package multi-row, must be included in your document. Here in my case I have already included the two packages, so now I can run this code. And now we can see the table is created here. Now if I want to bring this table to the exact location of in the subsection 1.1 of how to add tables, let me just go to the code and write here H exclamatory mark. Okay, and you can also give a caption for this. So for that, what you do, you just type another two lines here. One is slash centering and slash caption, and for the caption you can give this is the population animals. Now after doing this, let me just recompile this and see the output. You can see now the table is shifted to section 1.1 on how to add tables, and it is centered and it is coming with a caption. Now moving on to the LaTeX equation generators. Okay, here we can go with two different options. The first one is, suppose if you want to create a new equation, then you can take help of the equation editors. Suppose if you have already created an equation, maybe it is available in the PDF format or maybe a handwritten format, then you can go with the Equatio add-on, which is available for the web browsers. Now let me first show you how to create an equation using a hostmath.com website. Here I will choose the equation which is used for finding the solution of a quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So to do that, first what we do, let us start typing the equation here. X is equal to, we have minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it's a fraction. So to do that, what I do, I'll just select a fraction here, and here in place of ab, I will just start typing minus b, and then I have a plus or minus symbol here. Let me just click that, plus or minus. Then I need a square root. I have a symbol here. Let me just click on square root, and within that square root I need b square. So b, you can use a caret symbol for power, b square, and then you got minus 4ac. Okay, that is a numerator, and the denominator is going to be 2a. You can see now that entire equation is appearing here as x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let us copy the code that we have created for this equation and go to overleaf document and create a small code here, slash begin equation and end equation. In between these two lines, let us paste that code. And now you can observe here, before I recompile this, there is no equation existing here. So once I compile this, you can observe a nice equation will appear with a equation number. Now let us understand the second method of creating LaTeX equations with the help of Equatio add-on. So to do that, what I have done is I have opened one of my lecture notes with the Maxwell's equations here. Okay, and now the moment I click on this Equatio add-on, a ribbon will appear like this. You can see the ribbon here, and here there is a screenshot reader. You can just click on that screenshot reader and you can select the equation which you have to convert it into LaTeX format. Portion of the equation. Once Equatio processes this equation, you will get a editable LaTeX version here. You can select the LaTeX version of this equation and then go to your overleaf document and put that equation here by again writing a small piece of code, slash begin equation. Okay, so on here I'll just paste that equation, and now we can see once I compile it, you can find the equation. You can see that equation here, del cross H is equal to JC plus JD, which is equal to sigma E plus dou D by dou T. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you.